Welcome to Mobo Delivery, the smart mobile solution for managing your delivery operations with Odoo. Track deliveries in real time, optimize delivery routes, and stay updated with every shipment, all from your mobile device. Getting started is simple. Enter your server URL, email address, and password. Then tap Sign In to access your account securely. Allow location access to enable accurate tracking, route navigation, and real-time delivery updates. Once you're logged in, the dashboard provides a complete overview of your assigned deliveries. Open the Company Switch menu to switch between companies. In the Profile menu, you manage the logged-in account profile, access configuration settings, switch user accounts, and log out of the account. You can see the KPIs for Ready to Ship, Waiting, Late, and Done Today. Below that are the buttons for New Picking, Plan Route, and Attach Document. On the Create New Picking screen, choose the delivery destination, assign the customer, select the appropriate operation type, and set the delivery date and time. Next, specify the estimated travel distance and expected delivery time. These details help with route planning and improve delivery tracking throughout the process. Now it's time to add products to the delivery. Search for the required items, enter the quantity, and save them to the delivery order. You can repeat this step until all products have been added. The Picking Details screen displays the complete delivery information, including customer details, scheduled delivery information, and the list of products. From here, you can validate the delivery, add notes, or review the order before dispatch. The Route screen helps you plan delivery journeys efficiently. Select one or more pickings, while your current GPS location is automatically set as the source. Once the required details are entered, you're ready to generate and start the delivery route. The Document screen lets you search delivery records and attach signatures, images, or PDFs as proof of delivery. The Needs Attention section highlights overdue deliveries with the customer, due time, overdue status, and priority. The Return screen displays all return orders in one place. Use the search bar to quickly find a return order, or tap the filter icon to refine the list based on your requirements. The Filter panel lets you narrow results by order status, including To-Do, Waiting, Ready, Receipts, Deliveries, Internal, Late, Planning Issues, Back Orders, and Warnings. Select the filters you need and tap Apply to instantly update the list. You can also search for a specific return order by entering its reference number. Matching records appear instantly, making it easy to locate the required return. Once a return is selected, tap it to view its details. From here, you can manage related documents and attach proof of delivery, images, or PDF files directly to the return order. The Documents module provides quick access to all uploaded delivery documents. Use the search bar or filters to find documents quickly, helping you organize and retrieve records whenever needed. Content are grouped by category such as delivery orders and receipts, making navigation simple and ensuring all supporting files remain organized and easily accessible. The Configuration screen gives you quick access to your account settings, switching accounts, and logging out. Open Settings to personalize the app experience. Switch between light and dark themes, choose your preferred language, and configure options to match your workflow. In the Configuration screen, you can manage your preferences or access additional account options. Need to work with multiple Odoo databases? Tap Add Account, enter your server URL, database name, email, and password, then sign in to access another account seamlessly. After signing in, you'll be taken directly to the dashboard, where you can monitor key business metrics and quickly access all delivery operations. From the Configuration screen, you can also remove an account from the app. A confirmation prompt helps prevent accidental deletion. When you're finished, simply tap Log Out. Confirm your choice to securely sign out, keeping your account and business data protected. From real-time GPS tracking to instant proof of delivery, Mobo Delivery simplifies Odoo logistics. Download the app today and keep your shipments moving.